इंग्लिश जोन चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। अब मैं इसमें दोनों टू लगाने वाली बता के जा रहा हूँ। इसमें 30 से वन शुड नॉट बी ओवर ईगर फॉर प्रेज, वन शुड नॉट बी टू ईगर फॉर प्रेज। किसी को और इतना उत्सुक नहीं होना चाहिए प्रशंसा के लिए। ही इज सो जेनरस दैट ही हेल्प्स द पुअर एंड द नीडी, वह इतना उदार है कि वो मदद करता है गरीब की और ज़रूरतमंद की। ही इज टू जेनरस टू हेल्प द पुअर, ही इज टू जेनरस not to help the poor and the needy. He is so intelligent that he will understand it. He is too intelligent. She is too intelligent that she understand it. To understand it. She is too intelligent to understand it. He is being extremely generous. वह बहुत अधिक उदार है। He is too generous. He is being too generous. It is so shocking that I cannot bear it. It is too shocking to bear it. It is never so late that one cannot mend oneself. ये कभी देर नहीं होती कि कोई अपने आप को सुधार नहीं सकता। It is never too late to mend oneself. She is so clever that she can cheat him. She is too clever that not can cheat him. She is too clever to cheat, not to cheat him. The box was so heavy and could not be lifted. The box was too heavy to be lifted. I shall be so busy. बक्सा इतना भारी था कि इसे उठाया नहीं जा सकता था। I shall be so busy tomorrow. मैं कल इतना व्यस्त रहूँगा that I shall be unable to go to school. कि कल मैं स्कूल नहीं जा पाऊँगा। I shall be too busy tomorrow to go to school. Some men are so great that they will die for the country. कुछ आदमी इतने महान होते हैं कि देश के लिए मर जाएंगे। Some men are so too great to die for the country. Too many cooks spoil the broth. Cooks more than the required number spoil the broth. इसका होगा too many cooks spoil the broth. The coffee is so hot that I cannot drink it. The coffee is too hot to drink it. She is so proud that she will not apologize. वो इतना घमंडी है कि वो माफ़ी नहीं मांगेगी। She will too pride to apologize. The work is so heavy that it cannot be done by one man. काम इतना भारी है कि एक आदमी के द्वारा नहीं किया जा सकता। The work is too heavy to be done by one man. He ate more than enough. He ate too much. उसने बहुत अधिक खाना खाया, ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा खाया। Her suffering is so deep that she cannot express it in tears. उसकी पीड़ा इतनी गहरी है कि वो उसको आंसुओं में बयान नहीं कर सकती। Her suffering is so deep to express it in tears. मेरे वीडियो को लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।